Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we inspire you to create beautiful spaces you love. Today, we're diving into interior design to explore 10 timeless trends that never go out of style. Whether designing your dream home or giving your space a fresh look, these ideas will stand the test of time. Let's get started. Trend 1. Neutral color palettes. Neutral colors like white, beige, and gray create a calm and sophisticated base for any space. These hues are versatile and allow you to switch up accent pieces over time without needing a complete overhaul. A neutral palette is like a blank canvas for endless creativity. Trend 2. Natural materials. From wood and stone to rattan and linen, natural materials bring warmth and texture to a home. These elements connect us to the outdoors and age beautifully, making them timeless staples in design. Trend 3. Classic furniture styles. Furniture with classic lines and craftsmanship never goes out of style. Think of the timeless elegance of a Chesterfield sofa or the sleek simplicity of mid-century modern designs. These pieces effortlessly blend into both contemporary and traditional settings. Trend 4. Built-in storage solutions. Functional and aesthetic, built-in storage not only declutters your space but also adds character. Whether it's a bookshelf that frames your fireplace or hidden storage under the stairs, these solutions are practical and enduring. Trend 5. Statement lighting. Lighting does more than illuminate a room, it sets the mood. Statement pieces like elegant chandeliers or modern pendant lights double as art and never fail to make an impact. Opt for quality fixtures that last. Trend 6. Open plan living. Open plan layouts have been popular for decades and for good reason. They create a sense of flow and make spaces feel larger. Plus, they're perfect for entertaining and spending time with family. Trend 7. Indoor plants. Bringing greenery indoors is a trend that's here to stay. Plants not only purify the air but also add a touch of life and vibrancy to your interiors. Bonus, they're adaptable to any style, from modern to boho. Trend 8. Black and white contrast. A black and white color scheme is timelessly chic. This high contrast combo adds drama and sophistication to any space, whether it's in the form of patterned tiles, art pieces, or furniture. Trend 9, Timeless Textiles. Textiles like wool, cotton, and silk bring comfort and luxury to your home. Invest in quality throws, rugs, and curtains that can be layered and swapped out seasonally while remaining timeless. Trend 10, Artwork and Personal Touches. Art has always been a way to tell a story in your home. Whether it's a gallery wall, a statement sculpture, or meaningful family heirlooms, these personal touches make your space uniquely yours. And there you have it, 10 timeless interior design trends that will never go out of style. Which of these trends is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more inspiration or tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love. Bye.